Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. This is the first video of 2020. That is so crazy. But anyway, this is the part 2 of the bacon saltfish video. So today I will show you how I made the bakes that goes with the fried saltfish. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm adding 2 cups of unbleached flour to a bowl. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. My next ingredient is 1/3 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. You could also use a low sodium butter. And I'm lightly sprinkling about 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm mixing in 3/4 cup of warm water, a little bit at a time, until I get a sticky dough. I'm mixing in 1/2 cup of flour to my mixture until the dough is no longer sticky but yet still soft, while occasionally adding flour gradually. Now I'm going to switch to kneading my dough manually. Then I'm transferring the dough to a floured surface where I'm going to continue to knead until the dough is smooth. Once the dough is smooth, I'm going to roll it into a ball. Don't judge my ball, it's not perfectly round.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
I'm using my cutter to cut my dough into 7 pieces. I'm kneading each piece of dough into a ball and I'm setting them aside. Now that I'm done rolling my pieces of dough, I'm going to cover them and allow them to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. For my next step, I am preheating some vegetable oil in a large pan on medium heat. I'm using my fingers to knead the dough into a flat medium circle. Then I'm going to gently add it to the preheated oil. My bakes are slightly golden brown, so it's time to flip them. Look how that bake rises to the max. So guys, I'm going to continue flipping them occasionally until they have that beautiful golden brown color to them. Although I'm flipping them occasionally, I'm keeping a close eye on them so that they don't burn. These are almost ready after one more flip, and I'm going to continue this process until I've used all the dough. Once they are done, I'm placing them on a cookie sheet lined with paper towel to remove the excess oil. Look at the beautiful golden brown color on these bakes. They are also very soft on the inside. We enjoyed our delicious, soft fried bakes with some tasty fried saltfish. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.